coronavirus baby adu no he say we asia you
say to me say we asia you hand sanitizer na asan kura
ensign
they can you sir me ba me pen bebre me born said am di dware no
etufo de pa aso
black na bibia e fine there
bibia da din na so
bibia da din there
bibia da din
no pani we hen
opani say ogunsuaba
ene me no pani wo ensem bia Ese me maniti asese. You see, the last time I came here, I was talking about a club called House of Folk. And looking at how I was expressing myself, if you carefully listen to me, I told you that the club has a future in the upcoming season.
Club era waka wasabi.
House of Folk wasabi na making.
Okay. And what was he brofunu go osano. Okay.
And today they have a lot.
Really?
And I'm gonna give you a lot about the club today.
Fantastic.
And I know you will enjoy the show
really?
Today. Blacka! Come from far away the
Of course.
Come from far away the Aji.
Na House of Folk for omonum ya to ne say.
Oh, has in there. It's not something that be has in you.
Okay.
I'm not.
But anytime I hear has a story, be no, or there's some vimbi the has story. But I hear kotoko story, I kind of raw.
I do for both of them.
Oh.
I do.
And then your brother
I do. Actually, I do, my brother. I do. I really do.
I know, right?
I have the English packed somewhere. But just that I don't use them rough like that. I have the English.
But brother, he needs to jina with you. Brother, he needs to with you.
Wait.
Brother, he needs to with you.
That's my boss. I know him.
Oh yeah, sure.
I know him to be there,
But on him say, oh, koye story be free yet. Prison for no
black.
Na and you know. And you know what me video be CC about a prison for.
I'm telling you, sir,
congested.
Nanado.
And
let me read it for you. President Akufo-Addo grants amnesty to 808 prisoners.
808. Yes. What you saying?
President Akufo-Addo grants amnesty to 808 prisoners. They say me bubum the amount pen there. Nanado coronavirus in sense me be chrono. Be a coronavirus na chrono. You say a prison for bu ho
yeah.
Ebu ho a won say said na ebia infishia de man no. Obu on the first time I didn't akoda prison no. Omo ya de ama omo ya de on first time no. On na ebia your man be 5 years. Na watwa be 2 years no. Na yesu there be 3 years na aka no wo de kofie.
That's right.
So
that's right.
Enti ya chichem chese wama ni nyina ne se wama bi mu free se obi anko de fie.
That's right. Baby odi afa be there. Monyo on Facebook e san say your video bi e be to Facebook one. So now one of your colleague back award-winning journalist said Kwame Boateng. Who say prison stories. Yeah. Idea also follow. Yeah.
That's why you didn't have to allow me to flow like that. You have to allow the Englishman to flow.
Who's that? Okay, no, only cabro for no.
I hope everything is fine.
Only cabro for.
By God's grace, I'm fine. You?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Only cabro for.
Yes, you know the story I was talking about.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot. You have to break down the story into pieces.
Like how?
I mean, like explain it further. You have to explain it further.
Which part of the story?
The amnesty.
All right. Okay.
Yes,
so the thing is, so it doesn't mean that. So the president has just granted amnesty to 808 inmates.
Okay. Set Efa command say what's your man pedia day?
For granted a prison for.
Okay.
Nipa aha watching. A cherry pop watching.
Okay.
808.
Okay.
Now me chichema. You say first time offenders. Omo first mama ye bone a ya chi omo no. Omo deserve say omo kofie no. Omo do ye 783.
Okay. One more first time omo ye boni aye chi wo mo.
And my main kai say amnesty and fama or ma sebi omo raping call for. Yen fama robbers.
Omo de mo so you be a we rape obi what obi mo na and now you for 1 minute no obi a we kum ni pan so e onso nka ho. Okay. All right.
And anti first time offenders no me 783.
Okay.
And omo me seriously ill. Omo 11 me kai say
omo da prison omo sharia nkasa.
Me kai say 2015 me call prison me year maybe na me te say me share papa bi akokora bi no di 90 o ka che me say me be free tamale prison no se me ba me pese me no di nkumo me nim say enche mewu enso me pese me ko wu fie enti ut betimi ni president akasa mamia boa me na me nko wu e wo fie me pese me wu ha me ke na papa no wada prison em say 30 years ne dey na murder case and within 90 years o yari o se pese me ko wu e wo fie my papa ne ka che me
wu fie kwan kura de
obo fie yeyi no ema obi eboan man me kwasra no ne fie me kwasra no obi a nimi se wo wu ano no obi hu abusuafo no ho esa akeka no kakra
yeah arechiche de efi nipa hu
enti say o say seriously ill no o me nipa 11 ena yeyi omo ena inmate on death row to be commuted to life imprisonment or 7 and no chair said o say o ma sebi ye charge you say o ye meda hukum obi a and life imprisonment and no ye death row che say ye nkum bi na o ko side one o ma ye see ye nkum omo no omo ati omo nka prison population no omo de omo ati omo kakra enti say others need dia agro omo nka omo de omo inside tem bi omo show inside
safo no omo twa man pani signature no
say ebia man penyi beka se bia wo cha ye ku okay na no kwa se nya nku kwa yem hihie etimi ku
sa go nim da o ko beba
so da honya o twa signature
entu omo no nipa 7 omo ye me kai se me ko no me 120 be se se ye omo nipa 7 ye omo free ho aba main prison yard wo che se ye nku but the amount life imprisonment just over that main yard for life okay and inmate
7
okay and an inmate 7 life sentence to have sentence commuted to 20 years definite term and not just say ma me fan say 7 way no yeah can say o may life imprisonment it will be more near more life imprisonment
okay
and not just say unim da life without better for life but say no one nipa 7 no nipa 4 no president say 4 woman no yemo 20 years say just ya jail 20 years
target so after 20 years
graduation after 20 years obeko efie
okay
and now very old prisoners almost 17 and above president say nim emu 3 no omonko fie now president will say first time offenders no any 11 now mo yare pa no any oma omuye old pa no omonko fie ne ya ene ya ka say
amafo be hwe nkwan
it's not just yeah kikabo ma eye nipa be 797 ena ene ekofie
ene wo mo nda ye prison ahudo
outright sana president
ene wo mo nda prison ahudo nim
sana president
and ko various prisons how bad you
but still enye enough because there be enough
oh say
na coronavirus ye try say ye try say be bo ho by
that's right
because prison hono minia BBAC prison will be a reflection on the AC or main society no be where ya really see prisoner about one thing and they say bia tuberculosis is the see wa and samanwa ya we na esi wo hono ma because the officers ni inmates no hono to officers nyebi
because prison officers no money inmates na no masabo mo busuafo ofie
enti prison officers no ye from unofficial inmates
okay
unofficial because some dem timi ko fie na the ema ne ye aremo
me pacho ye the video na to your Facebook page no so kwa Adom 106.3 on Facebook we who video no
countries have an obligation to observe certain basic human rights standards in their prisons. Standards regarding the conditions of detention must be observed regardless of a state party's level of development. The UN demands a minimum floor space and cubic content of air for each prisoner, adequate sanitary facilities, clothing, which shall by in no manner degrading or humiliating, provision of a separate bed, and provision of food of nutritional value adequate for health and strength. I decide to go around and check how far these standards are being met in this prison.
That's right.
The prison administration is supposed to provide inmates with food of wholesome quality. More than once in 80 pesos is needed to provide this kind of meal for inmates. For years, prisoners have been fed on once in 80 pesos daily. Director General of the Ghana Prison Service, Emmanuel Ajato, says this amount is woefully inadequate. Until all these things are done, inmates will continue drinking watery porridge without sugar and either eat their famous gari, which goes with a kind of colored water mixed with palm oil, supposed to be palm nut soup, or banku, which goes with what I would describe as improvised groundnut soup. For first-hand information, the inmates, together with their officers, agreed to lead me to their places of convenience. The stench is extremely unbearable.
Okay, so I have been here for just a few hours. The congestion is just too much. And especially when you have the background, they are not very holy. So only time they see people like us around.
I am struggling to breathe as a result of the stench and heat here, or because I am a first-time visitor. I wonder what asthma patients here go through. The remand population as of today is 625, and there are only 4 toilets here. Unfortunately, 2 of them are out of use now. This means the 625 inmates here share only 2 toilets. They form long queues in the morning to wait for their turn. At times, they do it on themselves. And just a few steps away from the almost half-full water closet are scores of inmates preparing different kind of food from their make-believe palm nut soup. Before they can eat the gari provided them, they have to sieve and do away with some large particles in the gari. Remember, all these things are taking place not far from their toilet. I wonder what will happen when there is outbreak of cholera.
As you can see, this gentleman is fortunate to have received food from home. So family members were here to visit him. He's sharing with his friends here. So it tells the difference between the food they eat here and the one we eat outside.
Dr. B, Africa, and the just my left. Oh, baby, no man left.
I said, to the national space,
I am back at the Kumasi prison. It is few minutes past 4 p.m. and it is time for the inmates to be locked up, so officers are conducting their last roll call.
Nipa 18 Nipa 18. Na video na ohwe no. Ebi koto ebi koto
Inside the cells, the picture looks horrifying. Human beings packed up in a room with not even an inch space between them.
Enti the atene say omo mokoto no ye lock mo 5 p.m. and 5 p.m. no say aka 5 people abo ano no and we say aka 8 minutes o koto say ya ma de ache.
They have been carefully arranged according to the years they have spent in the prison. The leader of this cell, Isi Musa, says there are names for each sleeping position.
Pickup no. I say utema ukuto say the city no. Just some car back at from pickups. And now oma ya show me from Sadi.
We call them tabo.
Sadi because ya show
and now it looks like Obia done sideways, so nobody I say on the outside is left, right. There's only just
call them
and I will be from tabo.
They are like passengers.
Yeah, table.
Just
say Oma Bahomunia Wadeno. That you say Yama or one cry no table.
Those are my legs, very close to the wall. They have been here for over 4 years.
A student, my bed, and again, they make an say, criminals. And here, we are potential.
Those under the belt are those who have
because the man patana the car will be
have not gone beyond 2 years.
And too few say, oh, say, but we should all be concerned. Na make a doctor Nasem, Doctor Nema lead in the left. Yeah. Omkodri, Sister Medusia, Budin, Sister Medusia, Budin.
And ensure the place is clean always. Those on the top
we must all be concerned. And yet, Muma my prison for an
Left to Ross, premiering Wednesday 22nd June at 4 p.m. at the New Court Complex and airing on Thursday 23rd June at 8:38 p.m.
Your police
for morning show
inmates
and 27th and 28th June 6:30 p.m. on your Joy News channel on Mouth TV.
Settle. You better was it. You better was it.
According to the United Nations standard minimum rules for the treatment of prisoners, all countries have an obligation to observe certain basic human rights standards in their prisons. Standards regarding the conditions of detention must be observed regardless of a state party's level of development. The UN demands a minimum floor space and cubic content of air for each prisoner, adequate sanitary facilities, clothing, which shall by in no manner degrading or humiliating, provision of a separate bed, and provision of food of nutritional value adequate for health and strength. I decide to go around and check how far these standards have been met in this prison. The prison administration is supposed to provide inmates with food of wholesome quality. More than 1 cedi 80 pesos is needed to provide this kind of meal for inmates. For years, prisoners have been fed on 1 cedi 80 pesos daily. Director General of the Ghana Prison Service, Emmanuel Ajato, says this amount is woefully inadequate. Until all these things are done, inmates will continue drinking watery porridge without sugar, and either eat their famous gari, which goes with a kind of colored water mixed with palm oil, supposed to be palm nut soup.
And 32.
That's just a brosu by 6,032.
Exactly. Abroso by that number. And if number Abroso, CSC prison money 9,800. That's a some year 15,032. Okay, 2 year who divide subtraction now. There's Abroso by 5,232. And now say present so amnesty. Amnesty no. Life imprisonment for no. Da suum. Ya commute to so to 20 years on the swim and to shepa nipa be 797 neko and to there me fan say na prisoner bro so be 5,000 na 5,000 want 797 free man
still at the hungum
exactly
still at the hungum. Okay, so Kwame Boateng, thank you so very much for a year also
person make up for kakra.
Yeah, so I'm pleased to announce to you that you've really done well.
I appreciate this.
Yes, because we wouldn't have been with the story I wanted to make.
All right,
because this man was finding it difficult to understand me, especially with the amnesty.
Oh, okay.
And I'm sure today he will take the word amnesty serious.
Yes,
take the word amnesty.
I appreciate it.
I will. So say amnesty.
Amnesty. Can you tell me the definition of amnesty?
Oh, he just explained everything to us. Eddie Black, and come on.
Okay, but before Ubekon come on, so no, people want to know the spelling of amnesty. So if you can help us with that.
I'm not spelling bee. I'm not spelling teacher. I only came here to
around here.
Story about Kupena Maria.
Now, person can do say.
Maybe I story me ya na set ba betre me.
Ya kwedi wa ya kwedi.
Ti ma menya kakranka ho.
Ya kwedi.
Sa ni nyina coronavirus ya na
sa waya de pa ma pedi ya de. O ma pedi ya de. Waya de pa.
Na coronavirus no. Uko Liberia. Se Ghana mampani atu anamo ama ye nkofo pie no.
Sa
Liberia president ye hwan?
Footballer bi no. Very say cry.
Liberia president Obobo.
Yeah. Former footballer.
George Oponwia.
That's right.
Ono so say kakro betimi aye ndie. Ono akọ studio. And wako recording drum. A recording drum after COVID-19 no. President no. So no panyu ono ni playing days na no wise asamwaja no.
Sir.
Oboka ka
beto measures then na we put in place to curb it.
In terms ni nya won nnwum ni mu.
Logistically.
Ni nya won nnwum ni mu.
Financially.
Everything is in a track.
Spiritually.
Ya mo kakra.
Motivationally.
Ye nnwum ne kakra.
We are project. Liberia. Mama Liberia. Must all right. Stand together. Fight Corona.
Program anyway.
We must all rise, stand together to fight Corona.
Live in the bomb of border uncertainty, no security. Everything is possible. Jim FM. Be your mama, your papa, brother and sister. Let's stand together to fight this deadly disease. Walk on the wall with living for the uncertainty, no security, everything is possible. It could be your mother, your father, even your sister. Let's stand together to fight this deadly disease now. From Asia to Europe, Europe to America, America to Africa. It could be a mama, your brother, sister, or father. Let's stand together. Liberia.
President Bianu wa ya de
Be Mike.
Do Oponwia ye.
Why dey?
Do Oponwia wa ye. President Biani wiase a corona ba ye wa ye bi.
No why dey there no why.
What said I said no.
Wa ko she studio atwa no.
I said no na kama.
Wa abran krofo.
Enum to for Liberia o mo ntonnom. Na kroma oba ha.
Na say adwuma we dey na won say Liberia president na kra san ko jama Liberian
sports for na fe no mo nyina dwane.
O mo dwane akwa.
Sports for na nka eduru satam ya. Ka be tie so. Asoma sia yi wei e de hwede akompra kokoye.
Ka be say sports for the nyeden.
O so moa personalities no.
Wo mo nyeden.
Wo mo form sika ni bi moa che de Ronaldo mo na ade ye bi. They should also be helping the hospitals and blah 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 and blah 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 and blah blah blah.
George Oponwi asem na ade akwa players asemi. President yi twanyem no. Ukuro mufu owu a wu twanyem. Na de ade no amanyum to for no Liberia na twanyem no.
They can't.
Now what president say what tuna say now you creative and very innovative. Now what to me how you can fight and curb coronavirus in your country. Ooh, chanyum.
Why are you na fe no di betu
chanyum?
And I'm so why are you na fe no di betu anamo?
Who say studio chanyum? Oh mama wu chanyum.
Open man for in chat.
Ojo Ponria wu chanyum.
Na menko. Me time ni ntino. Togbe afede. House of Folk penny.
Yeah.
And they nyame adom. Yes, nyame adom. Yes, so ko ho hospital be say mienu miensa bi e wo ho no. Ono akwachi omo noma. Yes, 2 hospitals wo ho. Akoye donation adoye kase pa anya se adoye nketenkete se be normal ni nya betimi de akon atia corona ya ni ene nam so pa.
Enye nwumutwa.
Na hasen so no and they almost so assign players.
Na enyum twa ne se omo ka se nkashata musu ntwa nwoma o my Ghana. Boys this ja omo hieska.
Omo nya nwom na omo hieska.
Omzi entwa omo ka omo ntwa nwom bia.
Ana hwan kra na ka so omo ntwa nwom.
Oh, say na nkofo raise say
na
nkofo raise ese nkashata mo ne ade ko omo ntwa nwom ba shata si o. Esi entwa omo ka pa dia.
Obi wu na omo ya nwom na obi tu omo ka. Unu say tribute song. Tribute. Una friend tribute. Obi who says here. Obi who says here. Ebony we are there. Onya accident the best say. And I do be how much now. I there be 10 a.m. na nyuma ba. All stars. In nyuma ba. Mebwa.
For our next story.
One mobi mebwa.
For our next story.
Oh me busa question.
For our next story, bro.
Me call to the set time 19. Mama face kotoko dey say uko wan tokwa na esi wo
na ha say
management na kompa
na ha say
we catch we na we catch has nso do mo yes signing
okay
iso mo akofa Niger player ba ko aba
all right
na your friend no Mamani Lawali yes right. Or a defensive midfielder
that's right
yes was signed 2 years
sir
enti
na say Adebayo
so one lies.
Maybe let me tell you so when he's here I've got me to say more quarantine or baby one of the African countries
Adebayo mu dia he
the real Adebayo ankasa she Adebayo
tenteno on is a mentality na isha on is na damfo na e woni pay do e o chene kai
e fani fees
na obusa me mum na yon na e so obusa no
yo
ana
na ene wanya papa's pizza bi adi
medibi Yesu Adom wo unim Yesu Adom gabi baba bi e friend Yesu Adom
na me so moton bread
David also papa pizza pa
na wo de wadi ni ho
oh me manage ho
manage
ho ma me ntai nya ne se de aka me pe no
no ni ase wo
say na de ye pe no mo so
Jojo Pon so atwanwom everyone pa when tu apa you be be
ma also penny amba say me di kan catch us ma ten warning ma ka se mi a che
what in warning say
what
penny warning say what penny warning say
ma me de stories na se free no na ke no buy ko beti di ye pa
kotoko stories no
ke no beti di ye pa tinyame aduma why
kwa bia so akoma nkra
bako amaka
as well
ensiroja edira no
numero 1 as well she
fight is dead disease now walk on the wall we living
that's right Papa's Pizza Across Tastiest Pizza, Papa. Shall we say, in this era, Papa's Pizza safe. For health and your safety, one more topmost priority pa. And until was immense, stay safe. Now opt for one more countless delivery service. One more day, what do you say? Open pizza, dear. Papa's Pizza, one more short code in here. Star 844 star 10 hash. Star 844 star 10 hash. Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. One more branches were easily gone. Northly gone. Domain Tema also Spinter's Ring Road. And cried one more di baby. Order pizza no from Papa's Pizza. DBS Industries what one Friday and C4. Was this order no be complete here but na beje alo zinc air trusses papa for free DBS home. And ya no ko open a chance na papa de crew da so DBS Industries ne bia also do any trade. Yeah, ma 20 years warranty na faka home pa. Your money quality. Friend, you may be a soda no so my 0240-844-444 0240-844-444 chance papa pa feed and one DBS Industries. Yeah, car dance here one some we tile fix cement free mo nye Tylon Ghana Limited one and we tile fix cement. Tylon Ghana Limited one cement yeah what the about just a friend tile fixing. Ghana Standards Authority for test here who say a yam pa a quality a would delay with floor tiles water tiles the mouse durability and quality now what you share and it is a floor tiles now will lay say yeah water tiles now will lay say ceramic and marble tiles cement also we show you tile fix cement Tylon Ghana Limited for one year also for nature be a ton cement be a shop be a ton cement we obenya tile fix or white me out of 0244-421-635.
What is the incubation?
The crack ramu no COVID NL4C Charlotte na disika.
Showing up.
Disika fee.
People.
Charlotte na disika. Furniture Lotto Kios BM na kocha NL for Super 6 in BY. Easy play, easy win. Your lucky 6. Who choose 6 numbers every 55 numbers. You just say, yeah, they are already be. Also, our multiple chances of winning something different each and every day. Except Sundays, our one year draw. No, they be a radano draw. No cost. They be a radano. To me, disika. Easy play, easy win. Your lucky 6. A Super 6. Bamisro say malaria pan or yadia. Malaria pan or yadia. A dinkra heba mixture. Anywhere drew. Say malaria pan or yadia. A dinkra heba mixture. Anywhere drew. Say stomach pains pan or yadia. Joint pains, loss of appetite no yadia. A dry edge wakajiramu. A dinkra herbal mixture. For any child where more be a tone be a pharmacy shop be a mono. Ubenya a dinkra herbal mixture be ho. Na onso what me at to phone for 0248 778 899 0248 778 899. When you make another one of us yesterday, ma yedi irrigated sports bro. We are still in the month of March. Yeah, Ghana month. So let's go back in time. Now you're experiencing some hip life tunes kakra. Old hip life tunes kakra. Old hip life tunes kakra. Something from TikTok for you. I say Kwani. Let me tell you. It's in the ways who you free here.
Man, no bakope. Nami who seminano. Makuma ko dio bin chain.